All right, good afternoon, everybody. We are live for the Apple AirPods. Get on here. Come on, click on. Here we go. Live for the Apple AirPods now. Time is 1:26 in the PM. We're gonna roll our dice, figure out how many rounds. We're going to randomize the numbers. Let's see. So I get 2 dice, roll. So we've got a total of 8 rounds. Everybody see that? Give you a second. All right, go back to numbers. We are running 1 of 20 numbers. Winner at the end of 8 rounds will win the AirPods, and the round before last is how we determine second place, and that'll be who gets the $10 back. So we're rolling 1 now. 1 round, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 18 gets $10, and number 17 wins it. Thank y'all very much. Have yourself a good day. And we are done.